Hey guys, we are in the process now of getting the bell tower done. So a project we've had forever now, just now getting wrapped up. Once we get it lifted, we put it in the ground, get it concreted in, and then we got some more concrete work to do on top. But that thing is huge. Yeah, we had this bell donated for forever now, and we've basically just now got um, the rest of the donation funds to get everything installed on it. So, uh, and these guys here, Garrett Cloud, is getting it lifted for us, and it's going to be awesome. We look forward to getting it done. Hey, John, how are you, buddy?